The selected are claim data, the history, the searchings and PCs, and the screenshot has been claimed data now. Second step, the most important, the Chrome browser open menus and the Firefox and different devices. The browser has been website the open and try to against Chrome browser and Opera menus and Firefox, the all activities, the external, the enabled and VPNs and ad blocker has been permanently disabled. Second step, the important, the internet speed testing and properly the internet speed testing and other devices changings and Wi-Fi connection and data. The properly the changings and speed testing now. Change the system, the DSN, the setting as properly the screenshot as we PCs, that's as properly the changings now.